name's Krisha. I'm a high school junior with a keen interest in machine learning and data science. Throughout these videos, we'll explore the world of technology, starting with the basics, then learning how to code, diving into artificial intelligence and machine learning, then understanding robotics and data, and using tech creatively in art, music, and games, and finally, learning how to solve problems and innovate for the future. So, today we're going to discover what technology really means and how it connects to your everyday life. Think about it. Is it your phone, a light switch, or maybe your toothbrush? All of these are examples of technology. So, technology is simply any tool or machine that humans create to solve a problem or make life easier. For example, phones help us talk to people far away. A bicycle takes us places faster, and an ATM gives us money safely. And farming tools help grow the food we eat. Now, I want you to think, what's the most useful piece of technology you use every day? After you're done with that, here's your challenge. Imagine one new technology that your community could use. It could solve a problem or make life easier. So, in essence, technology is not just phones or computers. It's any tool we use to solve problems. And who knows? Maybe the next big invention will come from you. Thank you.